एमबी प्रिपरेशन कैन बी सैडनिंग एट टाइम्स यार, पढ़ने को मन नहीं करता ये वो, एंड एट दिस टाइम ना ये जो प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट्स है एमबी कॉलेज का, इट कैन एक्ट एज अ वेरी बिग मोटिवेटिंग फैक्टर कि यार एक बार हार्ड वर्क कर लो, नेक्स्ट 6 more months 5 more months फॉर द कैट एग्जाम एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग द एवरेज पैकेज ऑफ 30 लाख प्लस। 30 लाख का पैकेज कमाने में भाई 10 साल लग जाते हैं आम आदमी को। 10 साल तक हार्डवर्क करोगे तब जाके शायद 30 लाख का जॉब मिले। हेयर योर स्टार्टिंग पैकेज इज 30 लाख। So please be aware of follow all these placement reports because very motivating. Hi guys, on one hand, most of the IIMs have seen a drop in their average placement. In fact, IIM Indore have dropped 15% drop in their average placement. ठीक है, तो on the other hand, IIM Mumbai, अभी नीति का नाम चेंज होते ही it have been a good luck for them. Their average placement actually gone up. We launch a program in which the target is to clear the cutoff for the CAT exam. 99 percentile target for open category, 90 percentile target for the reserved category through our G strategy program. So in case you want to join, the link is given in the description box. You can call us for admission in online batch or Thane, Dadar, Pune, Borivali, Vashi, Nagpur or Nasik program. Gone up drastically. So look at the placement report of IIM Mumbai and try to find out how good IIM Mumbai is with respect to the other IIMs. Of course, comparing with the ABC. That's why I'm calling it as a part of MILK. Okay, MILK IIMs. So that's a new terminology I am putting it because ABC अलग हो जाता है. Then आता है लखनऊ, इंदौर, कोझिकोड. So these numbers we need to check because these are very promising numbers, which we can see here in the report. So average placement of retail and e-commerce sector is 34 lakhs. Average placement of consulting is 31 lakhs. FMCG 30 lakhs and all others is 27 lakhs. So this is numbers are very promising when it comes to the retail, e-commerce, consulting and the FMCG program. जहाँ लास्ट ईयर तक सबका एवरेज 27 था, अभी सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर का 27 बचा है, बाकी सबका ऊपर आ चुका है. And if you're looking for the placement in the FMCG sector with 16%, I think that's the highest among all the milk IIMs. Yep. So with average placement of 31 lakhs, I think IIM Mumbai is doing very well. PPO 38%, almost 40% of the batch have got the PPO. Okay. Highest package is 54 lakhs. Average of the top 10% batch is 47 lakh. अगर आप top 10 में आते हो, your package is at par with the main IIMs. Top 10 का top 20 वालों का भी main IIM के बराबर है, उनसे ज़्यादा ही पैकेज होगा. And the average of the top 50% batch is 33 lakhs. And overall average is 31 lakhs. Yeah, with 31 lakh का package, I think this is one of the best colleges to go for. Let's check out the placement for this cutoff for this college. Let's check out the cutoff for the milk IIMs. By milk I mean the main IIMs except ABC. So milk के अंदर 4 कॉलेज आता है. This is a new term I am giving to today, so that we know that ABC का cutoff really goes very very high. Yeah. So IIM Mumbai, Lucknow, Kozhikode and Indore. If I look at the 2024 placement report, 31 lakh package, 30 lakh package, 28 lakh package, 25 lakh package. ठीक है, ये भी ड्रॉप हुआ है 30 से 25, तो देयर 15% ड्रॉप इन IIM इंदौर का प्लेसमेंट्स. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कीपिंग बोथ नंबर्स, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर तक सब 30 लाख के ऊपर थे. ठीक है, 25-26 में ऑब्वियसली द मार्केट विल कम बैक एंड ऑल दीज 4 कॉलेजेस आर इन द टॉप 10 रैंक्स ऑफ इन द NERF रैंकिंग, टॉप 10 MB कॉलेजेस इन द कंट्री. ये हमारे पास एक एडवांटेज है इसका. सो मूविंग टू द कट ऑफ. सो इनका कट ऑफ्स आर रियली हाई, बट इतना भी हाई नहीं है. इफ आई लुक एट IIM ABC, if you are a general engineer male gem category, 99.7 के नीचे is highly unlikely you will get a call from ABC 99.7 percentile. So because of that, lot of good students who get good marks 99.2, 99.5, वो लोग ABC का कॉल नहीं लेके आ पाते. So that's why this milk colleges come into picture. Main IIMs except ABC is we are calling it milk. So if you want the call from milk, section wise, if you're from the reserved category, yeah, your target is 70 percentile per section. Yes, only 70 percentile, which is 14 marks, 9 marks and 7 marks in verbal, dialogic and quant, and overall score of 80 percentile plus के ऊपर कॉल आना शुरू हो जाएगा. Again, it depends upon your academic record as well, depend upon lot of things. But if you are crossing these numbers and overall 80 plus है, तो आपको आराम से कॉल आने का बहुत बढ़िया चांस है. For a non-engineer and engineers both, section wise, if you are crossing 85 percentile, target obviously have to be, should be 95 percentile plus. But अगर आपका 85% भी पार हो रहा है, like minimum score of 20 plus, 13 plus and 11 plus, and overall score of 97 percentile for non-engineers. 97 के ऊपर कॉल्स आना शुरू हो जाता है, which is 65 marks. So overall 35 marks plus for the category, 65 marks plus for non-engineers, and for engineer 99 percentile plus, which is 75 plus marks. You can easily expect the call from any of the male colleges. Again, these numbers are very much biased. 90% of people will fall into the category. अगर academic record हमारा कम है तो maybe I need 99.2 percentile, 90.3 percentile. तो दिस इज अ मिनिमम टारगेट स्कोर. सेक्शन वाइज हमें दो अलग करके देखना पड़ेगा. सेक्शन वाइज आई नीड 70 एंड 85 प्लस, एंड ओवरऑल 97 फॉर नॉन इंजीनियर्स, 99 फॉर इंजीनियर्स ओपन कैटेगरी. साइड होता हूँ. 97 फॉर नॉन इंजीनियर, 99 फॉर इंजीनियर्स, एंड 80-85 plus for reserved category students. You have a very good chance to get the call from the male colleges, and all these male colleges are good. All the best.